Top 5 Living Room Layouts. Welcome to today's guide on creating the perfect living room layout. Your living room is the heart of your home, and how you arrange it can greatly influence its functionality and the atmosphere it conveys. 1. Formal and balanced. This classic arrangement features two small sofas facing each other, creating a space perfect for intimate conversations. Built-ins on either side of the fireplace provide storage, and a TV mounted over the mantel ensures everyone can enjoy their favorite shows. 2. Casual and balanced. It's ideal for a cozy, versatile living space. Two matching chairs provide additional seating options, and the TV is positioned to the side of the fireplace, making it more accessible from the sofa. 3. Minimal and comfortable. Keep it simple, but make every piece count. A sectional sofa and an armchair with a footstool are the only seating options, but the emphasis is on pure comfort. 4. Modern country casual. If you love the cozy feeling of a country-style design, consider the modern country casual layout. A small table with two cozy armchairs encourages activities like board games and reading, while two small sofas face each other for comfortable conversations. 5. Work and live space. Finally, for a versatile space that serves as both a living area and an office, look no further than the work and live space layout. A sectional with a chaise placed in the center essentially divides the room, creating a small living room and office. A rug underlines the separation. As you explore these living room layouts, remember that your choice should always reflect your unique lifestyle and the atmosphere you desire. With tools like Foyer Neo, you can bring your vision to life and see your creation from multiple angles and combinations, ensuring that your living room truly becomes a reflection of your style and needs. Happy designing!